Hi guys, back again. Sorry, I keep saying back again. I've got to come up with another word. This is the Astro selection box from Aldi. This cost me £5, and I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you what contents is in it. It's only 8 meters and noise level's only 2, but just brought it just for the fountains. So let's just have a look what's in it. I have opened this box already, so. Right, so we get standard Orbit Catherine wheel, red light spin to silver light, get a bizarre, but these really annoy me because I put them in these big boxes and then they're only a little shot tube, but like a little tube like that. So Desert Sunrise, mine, Cressido, something like that, I don't know, red and green star with crackling bouquets, something like that, I don't know, sorry. These fantastic fountains, these are actually quite good. I've had these in, I had these in the Merlin selection box last year, and these are quite good actually. They're only small, but they produce some big effects for fountains, so I definitely recommend them for the value of this selection box. You get 4 of them in there. So jade shower, green sparks with silver glitter. Again, these really annoy me because they come in a box and there's nothing in there really worth, but you know, for £5 you're not going to get a lot higher. Festival fountain, green sparkle and golden glitters. Oh, and this is new, I wanted to just point this out. Cat F2. This only used to be Cat 2, but I don't know why they're putting the F in front of the 2. I don't understand that. Perhaps it's new regulations that are coming out again. You know, with the bloody EU and stuff, it's just getting ridiculous. Glittering shower. Silver glitter with crackle. I've actually took that out of the box just to show you what really annoys me. It comes in a box like that and you get that. So that really annoys me. These two Roman candles, crackling shoots, only 3 shots, just 3 shots of crackling, that's all. Pearl shoots, I'm guessing that's another 3 shots, don't look very big. And then we have the Magic Comet, which is a shot tube, just a crackling effect in there. And then we have the Carnival fountain. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye.